On the lot at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers is a 2026 Bachmann Portax LK. If you follow the Bachmann Portax family, you know that the L version means that it's longer than the regular K model. It's an extra 2 feet longer, and that extra space is between the chest bar and the tack locker, giving extra space at the front of the trailer to work with the horses, to change, to add extra hay if you're taking 2 horses. It's a very versatile trailer, one of the most popular ones that we sell. So it's set up as a rear ramp entry here, but you can also be a step up. You would close up the ramp and then pull this pin and open the ramp like a door. And that allows you to have a step up and a ramp entry in one trailer. You have a 7'8" internal height. It's built on galvanized steel chassis. You have anodized aluminum wall panels that are extruded panels. That means there's an air pocket inside, and anodizing is protecting the aluminum like galvanizing is for the steel. It's got a central post here for the stall dividers, and that means that you have panels that can swing left to right, at the front and at the back. Super simple for loading. Allows you to have the magnet hold it on either side, so you can load whichever horse you want first. There's 3 positions at the back, which will change the length of stall, so you can accommodate the seat belts for the ponies and the big horses. And you have an option to choose between a chest bar that's lower or higher, depending on the height of your horse. So inside this trailer, you would have horses in the standard setup that would wear up to an 84-inch blanket. We can extend the stall length by adding a new bracket at the back of the panel, and that will take horses up to 87 blanket. If you need something bigger, we can order in custom stall dividers that are longer. So in the standard version though, you're able to have the roof vent. That's how the air comes into the trailer, comes up over top of a hill that's actually built on the outside of the trailer at the front, and then the air comes down the hill into the valley, and that's where this roof vent is, and the air is drawn in and out the back. You have double lateral sliding windows, so you can open both on each side. You get lots of air pull through the trailer, takes the heat off the horse's back and out the back of the trailer, which is terrific. Comes with this added mat on the floor for wear protection against pawing horses or horses wearing studs. You can also get a mat for the back half. That's going to, if you have studs on all 4 feet, then that's going to protect the back as well. There's 2 entrance doors, one on each side of the trailer, a small one on the passenger side and a bigger one on the driver's side, and a tack locker, and lots of space in front of the horses. So on this model, different from the shorter Portax K, the driver's side horse would come off first because it is in direct line with walking out the front. Of course, you'd remove buckets out of the way, makes it much easier, and onwards down the ramp. And on the passenger side, you're going to undo the chest bar, push this panel over to the driver's side wall, turn around and be in the horse's stall now. And it's a very large space. So you can put your larger horse on this side. Because of the balance of a Bachmann, it doesn't matter which side a larger or single horse goes on. But this, having the longer horse on the passenger side, just gives them a little bit more room. Do that one more time. Now they can walk across the front of the trailer and line up and head out down the ramp. All right, I'm going to pop outside and we'll look at that tack locker. So I'm just outside the trailer now. It has a small Andalusian decor, and we brought it in the silver metallic roof and front bow. We have a lockable tack locker inside here. I'm just going to open it up all the way so you can see. So you have a couple of hooks here on the door. That's a cap for your 2-inch ball to keep the grease off of it. Comes with a tire iron if you need to change the tire, and there's a spare tire on the side. Inside we have a light. We have another hook in here. We have a crop holder, a step stool so you can get up to that roof vent in case you're not so tall, and the cleanup crew, which is the shovel and the broom with extending handles. This rack easily swings out to the doorway, and it can take both English and Western